Where do you live?
Where do you live? I live in Pasadena. Where is Pasadena? It's in California. Is it in Northern California? No, it's in Southern California. Is Pasadena a big city? It's pretty big. How big is pretty big? It has about 140,000 people. How big is Los Angeles? It has about 3 million people.
Do you have a car?
Do you have a car? Yes, I do. What kind of car do you have? I have a Honda. Is it new? It was new in 2003, so it's pretty old now. Yes, it is, but it still looks good. Do you take good care of it? Oh, yes. I wash it once a week. Do you change the oil? My mechanic changes the oil twice a year.
Can I borrow?
Can I borrow $5? Sure. Why do you need it? I want to buy lunch. Where's your money? It's not in my wallet. Your wallet is empty? I don't have even $1 in it. Being broke is no fun. Even if it's only for a short while, it's always good to have friends. Friends will lend you money when you're broke, as long as you pay them back.
To the beach.
Let's go to the beach. That's a great idea. We haven't been in a while. We haven't been in a month. The last time we went, you almost drowned. No, I didn't. Then why did the lifeguard dive into the water? I think he wanted to cool off. He swam right up to you. And then he turned right around. Maybe you're right. Maybe we should get going.
I'm bored.
I'm bored. What's on TV? Nothing. There must be something on TV. Nothing that's interesting. What about the new game show? Which one? Deal or no deal? Tell me you're joking. I love that show. I watched it once. That was enough. It's on right now. Let's watch it together.
I like living here.
I like living here. I agree. Pasadena is a nice city. It's not too big. And it's not too small. It has great weather all year long. It has the Rose Parade. It has beautiful houses. It has wonderful restaurants. It has great schools. It's close to the mountains. The people are friendly. I'm not ever going to leave.
A new mattress.
We need a new mattress. What's the matter with this one? It's not comfortable. It seems fine to me. I toss and turn all night. You should stop drinking coffee. Look at these marks on my arms. What are they? They are bites. Did the cat bite you? No, the bedbugs in that mattress bit me. Okay, let's get a new mattress.
My laptop.
My laptop is so slow. Buy a new one. I would if I had the money. Why is it so slow? That's a good question. Did you take it to a computer shop? I would if I had the money. Well, I guess you have to live with it. Sometimes I want to throw it out the window. You don't want to do that. Why not? You might hit someone in the head.
What's for dinner?
What's for dinner? I'm not sure. How about a pizza? You had pizza for lunch, but I love pizza. Everybody loves pizza, so why can't I have pizza for dinner? Because you need a variety. What's variety? Different things, not the same thing all the time. You mean like pepperoni pizza instead of a cheese pizza? No, I mean a salad instead of a pizza.
We need to buy a house.
We need to save money. Why do we need to save money? Because we need to buy a house. But a house is so expensive. That's why we need to save money. How much do we need to save? We need to save enough for a down payment. How much is that? That's about $30,000. $30,000? That will take forever. Not if we save every penny. Okay, here's 7 pennies.
The ocean.
The ocean is so big. You can't see the end of it. It goes on forever. And it's deep, too. I think it's 5 miles deep. Are there fish at the bottom? There are fish at the top and the bottom. Are there more fish or more people? I think there are more fish. I hope so. I love to eat fish.
Do animals talk?
Do animals talk to each other? Of course, they talk to each other. What do they talk about? They talk about other animals. What else do they talk about? They talk about food and the weather. Do they talk about us? Of course, they talk about us. What do they say about us? They say that we are funny looking. We're not funny looking. Animals are funny looking. We're funny looking because we wear clothes. The end. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Share your thoughts in the comments.